Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Let's start with supplications or du'as at the time of sleeping. When going to sleep, lay on your right side and keep your right palm below your right cheek and supplicate the following. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. What's the meaning of that? O Allah, in your name I die and I live. Allahumma means, O Allah. You know that. Allahumma, O Allah. Bismika. Bismika has three parts. B is in. Ism is name. Ka, your. Bismika, in your name. Allahumma bismika, O Allah, in your name. Amutu. Amutu means I die. It is from maut. Maut means death. Amutu, I die. Wa ahya, and I live. Va means and. Okay, don't mix that. Ahya means I live. Don't mix the two words. I mean, they are separate words. In your mind, you have to have them separate. Va ahya, and I live. What's the message here? Sleep is like death. When we are asleep, we don't know if we exist or if there is anything called world. All our tasks should begin in the name of Allah. When we sleep in the name of Allah, our sleep is blessed and we overcome fatigue and laziness through the sleep. We wake up refreshed and our mind is relaxed after a restful sleep. Most importantly, Allah safeguards us, protects us during our sleep. This prayer reminds us of our life's mission. We can say, "Oh Allah, my entire life until my death should be spent in your love, in your worship, and in your obedience only, because I am living in your name. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. And when I wake up in the morning, I will work on those things which will please you." Visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.